Hello, and welcome to Instant Allure Clip-In Hair Extensions installation video. Today we're going to show you how to install Instant Allure Clip-In Hair Extensions. As you'll see, our model is holding a bundle of Instant Allure Clip-In Hair Extensions. It comes as one entire pack with clips along the entire width. As the model installs her clip-in hair extensions, you'll notice that her extensions are already cut to be customized to fit her head. Installing Instant Allure clip-in hair extensions is a three-step process. You just measure, cut, and clip. Again, the hair has already been cut to match the width of her hair, so she's just going through and installing the clip-ins. As she parts each section off, the combs are opened up on the clip-in hair extensions. As she slides each comb in at the root, she closes the comb and it secures each weft in place. Instant Allure clip-in hair extensions has clips along the entire weft. Therefore, our clip-in hair extensions are very secure and you do not have to worry about them sliding out. All of Instant Allure's clip-in hair extensions are 100% Remy human hair. They can be dyed, heat styled, and you just wash and condition them just like your own. And remember, lay it flat to dry. We offer various styles and textures. To find out more information about our styles and textures, visit us online at www.instantallure.com. You can also visit us on Facebook. Our address is www.facebook.com/instantallure. Be sure to visit us and add us as a fan on your page. As you can see, this process is really quick and easy. It allows you to change your look in minutes. And also, this is something you can do yourself. Once all the clip-in hair extensions have been installed, you'll just take a brush or a comb and you'll go through and you'll just blend your hair with the extensions so that they'll be undetectable. Wow, isn't that wonderful? In just minutes, she's changed her entire look. Remember, Instant Allure clip-in hair extensions. It's quick and easy. Visit us online, www.instantallure.com. We can also be reached at 770-931-0702. Again, thank you for watching. And look out for our removal videos so you can see how easy it is to remove Instant Allure clip-in hair extensions. Thank you for watching.